It's 6:30 in the morning. Yep, you heard that right. Most people are still asleep, but I'm already at school for football training. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. Oh, and I'm Beckett. And next year will be my 4th year at the English College Dubai. I love sports. This year, I was really proud to win Primary Sports Personality of the Year, which was a pretty awesome moment. When I'm not on the sports field, you'll usually find me in science, learning something new, or in STEAM, working on some really cool projects. One of my favourites was creating a stop-motion animation about ocean pollution with my friends. One thing I love about EC is that everyone here is so welcoming. I've made some great friends here and I'm proud to be an EC Lion. I've also just had my transition day for Year 7 and wow, secondary looks amazing. New classrooms, new opportunities, loads of exciting subjects. I honestly can't wait to get started. Anyways, that's a little look at my day at EC. And when you see me next academic year, come and say hi. Or better yet, give me a high five. See you at EC.